Hi, I'm Barbara Wainwright, the founder and CEO of Wainwright Global Institute of Professional Coaching. You may be wondering about the importance of getting certified as a life coach. I want you to think about it this way. If you were seeking the service of a professional, wouldn't you want to know that they had been through training and were verified as being a competent provider? There are many organizations that will certify you as a coach. You may want to investigate their code of ethics, their fees, their accountability. What benefits does the accrediting body provide? Will you be listed as a certified on their official website so that people can verify your credential? Earning your certification demonstrates that you are a professional in your area of expertise and that your education has been verified by a neutral third-party entity. At Wainwright Global, we can get you trained and certified in only 16 hours in our live, highly interactive, and fun course. Check us out at wainwrightglobal.com.